This plant is a 1000 TPD 3-in-1 processing plant. It's customized according to the client's requirements. It's designed to process quartz crushing, process lithium ore with tantalum, process sulfide copper and gold mixed ore. 1. Crushing part. Capacity 100 TPH. Send 0 to 500 mm size rocks to the hopper at first. The vibration feeder will feed the rocks into the first cone crusher. After crushing, the smaller rocks will be sent to a vibration screen with a 20 mm and 40 mm screen by belt conveyor. The larger than 20 mm rocks will be sent back to another cone crusher to crush again. The less than 20 mm rocks will be transferred to an underground transfer bin before the ball mill. If the feeding materials of the plant are quartz, the underhopper feeder will send the crushed materials to the next vibration screen with 2 layers of screens, 13 mm and 6 mm, then can get 3 kinds of crushed final output. If the feeding materials of the plant are copper gold ore or lithium ore, another feeder will send the crushed materials to the grinding system. 2. Grinding process. Part. Capacity 42 tons per hour. The minus 20 mm materials will be transferred by an electromagnetic vibration feeder beneath the hopper to the ball mill evenly. The ball mill will grind the less than 20 mm rocks to be 0 to 1 mm, 70 to 80% 200 mesh, around 0.074 mm. The ball mill will match with a spiral classifier. The classifier will send the larger than 0.074 mm materials back to the ball mill to grind again. The less than 0.074 mm materials will go to a drum magnetic separator to remove iron at first. 3. Sulfide copper and gold ore flotation. Process system. If the feeding raw ore is sulfide copper and gold, one slurry pump will send the ground slurry to the flotation system to extract concentrate copper and gold. There are 3 stages for the flotation process: roughing, scavenging, and cleaning process. The concentrate will be extracted from the cleaning stage and then will be sent to the thickener to do sedimentation. Then underflow from the thickener will go to the vacuum filter to dewater and get the final concentrate. The tailings from the flotation system will go to the shaking table to do gravity separation to collect concentrate in the tailings as much as possible. 4. Lithium ore with tantalum process system. If the feeding raw ore is lithium ore, which contains tantalum, another slurry pump will send the ground slurry to a gravity separation system to collect the tantalum at first. Generally use 2-stage spiral chutes to do first-stage gravity separation. Then the concentrate from the spirals will go to shaking tables to do second-stage gravity separation and get the concentrate tantalum. All the tailings from the 2 stages of gravity separators will go to a flotation system to extract the lithium oxide. Before the flotation process, generally 2 stages of the hydrocyclone group to decline the mud to ensure the flotation efficiency. The slurry from hydrocyclone groups will go to several sets of mixing tanks to mix with chemicals. After that, the pulp will go to the flotation machines and start the concentrate lithium oxide beneficiation. If there's lots of mica in the lithium ore, also need to do a pre-process by several flotation cells to remove the mica as much as possible. Then the concentrate from the pre-processed cells will go to the next stage, concentrate extraction flotation cells. Generally, also there are 3 stages for flotation: roughing, scavenging, and cleaning process. The concentrate will be extracted from the cleaning stage and then will be sent to the thickener to do sedimentation. Then underflow from the thickener will go to the vacuum filter for dewatering, and the final concentrate will be sent away by belt conveyor. The tailings will go to another thickener, and the underflow from the thickener will go to the plate filter to do dewatering.